Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Sign in with your Apple ID because Find My requires authentication. Once done, use the other person's phone browser to open iCloud. com/find or the Find My app if available. Make sure your iPhone had Find My enabled beforehand and has battery and network access. Otherwise, you'll only see the last known location. Do this now to keep the process short and secure, and make sure you will sign out when finished. After signing in, tap Devices and pick your iPhone to reveal available actions. Play sound immediately if you expect it nearby. It forces a noise even if the phone is silent. Tap Directions to get turn-by-turn navigation to the current or last known location, which uses maps from the browser. If you worry about security, choose Mark as Lost to lock the device and display a contact number. This prevents access and notifies anyone who finds the phone. Close out cleanly. Sign out of your Apple ID on the other person's phone and confirm you removed any temporary access. If you must, erase iPhone is irreversible. Do that only when recovery is impossible because it disables tracking, though activation lock still protects your data. If location isn't showing, make sure the phone had network access or offline finding enabled. Refresh the devices list, try again later, and ask the person holding the phone to enable Bluetooth or restart it to help update location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.